Hello, welcome back to another video. There is a remaining part of the first video. Number 8, freelancing writing. If you have writing skill and creative talent, it's also possible to get paid to create online content. I don't do this as much as I used to, but I am very aware of how viable this income stream is. On Blogger, I know Holly Johnson actually makes over 20 lakh dollar per year creating content of other website, and actually that's on top of the six figure she earns with her blog Club Traffic. Holly told me the she started writing content in 2011. At the time, she still worked a full-time job but created content online part-time to supplement her income. Over time, she was able to double and triple her rates until she could quit her full-time job to write these. She makes bank a freelance writer and teach others to do the same via her online courses, earn more writing. According to Johnson, the key to making it is it as a freelance writer is figuring out a niche, networking with people who might hire you, and delivering high quality content 100% of the time. While there are a ton of writing job board to help you get started, she says it's fairly easy to find starter writing jobs on website like upwork.com. Number 9, sponsored posts. If you have a website or a large social media following, you can also make money by pursuing sponsored posts and ads. But how does this work? Basically, companies are willing to pay bloggers and social media influencers to promote their products and services. If you have a platform, be it a blog or a huge Instagram following, you can cash in. The first time I got a sponsored post for Good Financial Sense, I was totally blown away. I think I got paid only $100, but that was a lot of money to me at that time. Later on, however, I realized companies that wanted a sponsor post they just wanted a link from my website to their own site. For that reason, I started increasing my rates. These days I charge around $4,500 for a sponsored post, plus I clearly mark all sponsored content as an ad to stay in compliance with Google's terms and conditions. I also only promote companies I use or believe in. But I also know bloggers that get $20,000 for a sponsored post. That's pretty crazy, but it just goes to show what is possible. Keep in mind too, you don't need a website to do sponsored content, since you can also get paid if you have a lot of social media followers. My wife has pretty big Instagram following and she gets all kind of sponsorship. And not only does he get paid in cash, but we get a lot of free stuff too. We have received free rugs, free lights, and free carpet cleaners. She only promotes things she loves through, so this strategy worked really well for her. Number 10, webinars. Need more idea on how to make money online? Other strategy is using webinars to market your product, service, or course. I have done webinars to promote my financial planning practice and to drum up interest in my online courses for financial advisors. With a webinar, you are basically offering a lot of tips and advice for free, usually in a live format. At the end, you pitch your paid product or service with the goal of securing a few deals. Professional speaker Grant Baldwin uses webinars to market his course or public speaking, including get booked and paid to speak. While Baldwin offers plenty of free tips during his webinar. He offers his course at the end of people who want to pay to learn more, and a lot of times his sales pitch works. No matter what you are selling, it's not that hard to set up a webinar and attract people to sign up with a lead magnet or Facebook ads. Heck, you can probably find a free webinar on how to create your first webinar if you look hard enough. And number 11, YouTube. My favorite, YouTube. YouTube is another platform that has made it possible for people to earn money online. There are a ton of YouTube channels out there on any topic if you can think of, and most of the people with a big following are earning some money in exchange for their videos and time. Marine Offerton, men's fashion expert Antonio Contino, has built a $1 million business from his YouTube channel Real Man Real Style. Last year, Forbes profiled some of the biggest players in the YouTube scene. According to the study, the top 10 biggest grossing YouTube stars about in 27 million from June 2016 to June 2017. The most popular, a gamer named Dan TDM, earned $16.5 million of that on his own. Will you earn that much? Probably not. However, you can start making money via YouTube using the platform owns ad network or by getting sponsored posts. If you like doing videos, starting a YouTube channel can a fun way to earn some cash on the side. Number 12. Build an online community. It's a very important topic. Build an online community. Last but not least, you can also earn more online by building an online community. Although the monetization strategy you can pursue will vary a lot depending on your goals. You can build a community with a blog, for example. You can also build an online forum and charge people for membership. You could even build up a Facebook group and use your influence there to sell and promote products. My good friend Shane and Jocelyn Sams have become expert in building online communities. They have one right now for their website, Flipped Lifestyle. This community shows people how to create an online business and connect entrepreneurs who are pursuing similar dreams. Prior to that group, they had an online community for teachers or looking for a lesson plans. That probably sound pretty random, but it's crazy the type of communities you can build and relay people around. If it is something that you are passionate about yourself and you want to connect with others that have that same passion, then an online community is something you should definitely consider. There are a ridiculous number of ways to make money online, and the ones I have covered here are just the tip of the iceberg. If you have a time, a passion for almost anything, and at least some creative skills, you may be able to build an online income stream or server if you get it enough time. But don't just take my word for it. If you look online, you will find thousands of success stories you can use for inspiration. One day, you could even create a success story of your own, but you will You never know unless you try. That's it. Take care. Bye bye.